A thin layer of snow covered the small town of Willbrook as Christmas Eve settled in. Warm lights glowed from windows, and families gathered around their decorated trees. But 12-year-old Maya wasn't in the mood for celebration. She sat in her room, annoyed that her parents had asked her to help deliver gifts to the neighbors instead of letting her play games all evening. "This is pointless," she muttered as she put on her coat. "Why should I go out in the cold for people I barely know?" Her father handed her a small brass lantern. "Take this," he said. "It's old, but it helps light dark paths." Reluctantly, Maya stepped outside. Snowflakes drifted gently, and the streets were almost empty. She hurried toward the first house, wanting to finish quickly. Halfway there, she noticed something: an elderly man struggling to pull a cart filled with firewood. His gloves were worn out, and every step looked heavy. Maya hesitated. Not my problem, she thought. But the lantern's warm glow flickered on his tired face, and something in her shifted. She walked toward him. "Do you need help?" The man looked surprised. "Just a little push, if you wouldn't mind." Together, they steadied the cart and guided it to his small cottage. When they arrived, the old man smiled gently. "Thank you, child. People don't always see those who struggle quietly." Maya looked down, embarrassed. She had almost been one of those people. As she handed him a small gift from her basket, the lantern suddenly shone brighter, as if rewarding her choice. She felt warmth, not from the lantern, but from the simple act of helping someone who couldn't repay her. When she returned home, her father noticed her calmer expression. "How was it?" he asked. "It was good," she said. "I didn't realize how many people could use even small help." Her father nodded, as though he had expected this all along. That night, as she placed the lantern beside her bed, Maya understood something clearly for the first time. Real kindness isn't shown when it's easy. It's shown when you step out of your comfort and help someone who has nothing to offer you in return.